Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to split screen on Mac to maximize workflow. Firstly, launch the applications or browser window you want to use in split screen mode. In the upper left corner of the first window, place your cursor over the green full screen button. Click Tile the window to left screen or Tile window to right of the screen. Your other open windows will be displayed on the opposite side. Click on the one you want to use, then move the black bar in the middle to adjust the size of each window. Also, you can just ensure the apps you want to use are open and press the Ctrl plus up arrow. This will open the missions control and drag a window to the top of the screen. Then select the second screen, then drag another window next to the first to activate split screen on Mac. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.